This is the Pathfinder 1995. We're doing head gaskets. So we'll be taking off number 1 and number 2. We're ready to take down all the radiator, intake, hose. We took off a lot of accessories, wiring, harness. Here we have the tools going on. Here we go. Here's our head gaskets. All our gaskets are here. Ones we're going to be using. And this is how it looks. So we're going to be taking off the intake, the covers, the timing chain. We're going to be taking all these covers, all the belts. There you go, the Pathfinder. And we got the pieces we have taken over here. Injectors, harness, intake, radiator, air intake, battery, distributor, a couple of accessories. We got the rest somewhere else. I got them there for safety. Well, yeah, we're gonna be taking the rest down, and the heads we're gonna take them to machine. They're gonna be machined as well. We're back on the 1995 Pathfinder head gaskets. What I'm showing you guys right here, that it's already clean to lay our gasket, our new gasket, and our head. The heads are machined already. We got them here. They're actually clean and ready, both of them. And here we got the bolts that are gonna be torqued. I'll be giving it 60 on it. And here we got our bouncers. For these ones, it's always good to bleed them and leave them soft. So when you're cranking it, starting it, you have a light start with no compression on them. Here we got our trains. This is where the bouncers go. These are the gaskets we're gonna be working right now for this moment. I didn't took them all out. But from here, we're gonna jump from here to over here and start laying it out. 1995 Pathfinder. So on this position, we already mounted our first head. That it will be cylinder 1. That will be cylinder 2. And what I mean that the head that's more forward is always number 1. This will be the second one. So it'll be 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. We're checking the gaskets that they look alike. You always got to match, see everything's matching. And it's for the 95 Pathfinder. We're going for the second head. See if we finish today around 6 o'clock. So we're in the 95 Pathfinder. Almost ending. We already have most of the things installed. Timing belt, heads, the trains, the bouncers, pretty much everything is what we need to install to finish the cover of the timing belt, the whole intake, the cover, the right side one. And we're gonna be putting the radiator, the harmonic balancer, the belts, and we'll be pretty much done in a couple of hours. So we're on the Pathfinder. It's back in the customer house. We ready to give it and working like it should be. If you guys remember, we cracked all the motor open. We're doing head gaskets as well. We did almost all the gaskets, timing belt. This is how it looks, all in one piece. It's the same vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on for you guys. It's actually working. It works really well. So this is it. Once it's finished, working and running, 1995 Pathfinder.